Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass. I direct the actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to offer a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help-ISU-actuary. Here's a problem for today, for October 23rd, 2018, on Financial Mathematics, Exam FM. Mr. Koitsami puts 30,000 yen into a bank account at the beginning of each year for 20 years. The account pays interest at the end of every year at an annual effective interest rate I. The interest is taken out and reinvested in a separate account at an annual effective rate of I over 2. The yield rate on the entire investment over the 20-year period is 8% per annum effective. Find I. And here's the solution. So the interest earned on each year's deposit is 30,000 times I. Therefore, the amount accumulated at the end of 20 years will be 30,000 times I, accumulated as an increasing annuity over 20 years at the interest rate of I over 2, because there are consecutive deposits of 30,000 and they're all earning interest, so the amount of interest that is taken to the other account increases every year, but by 30,000 times I. Plus, the deposits themselves will remain because his interest is taken out, and the deposits will be 30,000 over 20 years. And remember, no reinvestment of anything in the first account because all interest from it is taken out and put in the second account. So in that first account, 30,000 times 20 will be accumulated. And we just rewrite it that that thing is equal to what you see here because of the formula for increasing annuity, accumulated value. So this is going to be 30,000 I times S double dot angle 20 at I over 2 minus 20 divided by I over 2, which is the effective interest rate in the second account. That's where this comes from. Plus 30,000 times 20 is 600,000. And then we can write this as 60,000 times S double dot angle 20 at I over 2 minus 20. Because I cancels, you can see that. And 2 times 30,000 is 60,000, plus 600,000. On the other hand, Mr. Koitsami's rate of return was 8% annual effective, so that his total amount accumulated at the end of 20 years will be, well, his deposits form a level annuity of 30,000 over 20 years at 8%, and he makes them at the beginning of the year, so this is an accumulated value of an annuity due. So it's 30,000 times S double dot angle 20 at 8%. So the accumulated value has to be this, and the first value we calculated, we set them equal to each other, and this gives, well, if you look at it, the only unknown is S double dot angle 20 at I upper 2, so we figure it out from it, and it's equal to 1/2 of S double dot angle 20 at 8% plus 10. Of course, S double dot angle 20 at 8% we can calculate using a financial calculator, and that's 34.71 approximately. And now our job is to figure out what I upper 2 is, and then based on it what I is. In BA2 Plus Pro Calculator, we first enter second begin, make sure that you are in begin mode. You switch between the two with second set. And then enter C to clear. And then enter 0 for present value, negative 34.71 for future value, because the balance of 34.71 at time 20 is not a loan balance, but accumulated asset amount, so a negative loan. 1 for payment, 20 for N, and then compute IY. and you should get approximately 4.9976866698, which is 4.9976866698%. So that's I upper 2, and we double it to get I, and it's almost exactly 10%, which is answer E. Please remember this is copyrighted material. The problem comes from me. The solution is mine. All rights reserved. Reproduction in whole or in part without express written permission from the author is strictly prohibited. Good luck on the exam, and good luck in your studies.